Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share with you how to turn a neckline with bias tape. This is a neckline I'll be turning and I've joined the shoulder already. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to close the neckline up with this bias, and I'll be using the ready-made bias tape for this work. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open up this bias tape. The bias tape is on two folds, so I'm going to place one side of the fold on the neckline. This straight line that is indicating the fold, that is where I'm going to stitch on with the neckline. So I'm going to stitch on that fold line all around my neckline. So this is me on the sewing machine. I'm going to show you how to stitch the bias tape to the neckline. And just like I have mentioned earlier, I'm going to place the bias tape now this way on the neckline. I'll place the bias tape properly on the neckline this way. Then I'll go ahead and stitch down the line I showed you. When you are stitching, you don't have to rush. All you need to do is to pay attention to the straight line on the bias tape so that you don't deviate from the straight line. So I'll go ahead now and stitch down. I'll stitch a little bit and I'll pay attention to make sure that the line is I'm still following the line. I will stitch and stop and make sure I'm following the line. There's no need to rush this stitch, okay? When you are stitching a neckline, you just take your time and make sure you do it right because it's not much. You just take your time. After I stitch to some point, I'll stop and adjust the bias tape properly to the neckline. Then I'll stitch again and I'll stitch all around. Let's assume I started stitching from the back. I'm going to stitch from that point where I started from all the way to the shoulder joining. I'm not going to stop at the shoulder joining. I will stitch all the way to that point where I started again. Okay. And when I get to the end, that's the other side where I started, I'll place this bias tape on that first one. You see this first one now? I'll place this one on it this way, then I'll stitch past it, then I'll just back stitch. And once I'm done at this point, I'll go ahead and cut out the thread. Okay. At this point, this is what I have. This is what the bias and the neckline will look like. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut off this excess bias that I have here. Then I'll go ahead now and fold in this bias tape into the neckline this way. Remember I showed you that bias tape has to fold. So I'll fold in that part now and also fold the entire bias this way. Okay, I'm going to fold the entire bias this way. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to stitch on the very tip of the bias. So after I have properly folded the bias tape this way, then I'll go ahead now and stitch it down. And if you've watched this point, thank you very much. Please drop a heart for me. Let me know you watched this point. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And when I get to the other side, to the end of the bias tape at the other side, I'll go ahead and cut off the thread, and that is all. And this is what it looks like after I am done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.